North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond to 187 Victoria Street West for a fire panel alarm at the apartment building. Key holders pending. Again, that's 187 Victoria Street West at the apartment building for a fire panel alarm. Time of first page is 5:01:08. Attention, North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond to 187 Victoria Street West. That's going to be an apartment building. Cross streets are William Street and Helena Street for a fire panel alarm. Key holders pending. Again, that's 187 Victoria Street West at the apartment building. Cross streets are going to be William Street and Helena Street for a fire panel alarm. Time of second page is 5:02:07. Wingham Station, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page out for Wingham Station to 187 Victoria Street West.
Roger that, car 3, acknowledging page for 187 Victoria Street West at 5:02:33.
Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responding to 187 Victoria Street West for the report of a fire alarm. Alpha Bravo Delta plus 2 belted.
Roger that, engine 1, you're responding. Alpha Bravo Delta plus 2 belted. It is 5:08:36. Fire dispatch to engine 1.
Go ahead, dispatch, engine 1.
Roger that. Just be advised, the key holder will be attending in a precision construction work truck. Gave a rough ETA of 5 minutes.
Roger that, dispatch, thank you. Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1 on scene. We do have a 4-story multi-unit residential structure. Nothing showing at this time. Alpha will be command and command will be mobile.
Roger that, engine 1, you're on scene. It's a 4-story multi-unit structure. Nothing showing at this time. Alpha will be in command, mobile, investigating at 10. My apologies, 5:10:45.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
We do have an alarm showing on a level 2 garbage chute. We do have a crew entering with staff on site investigating. You can also show a 360 in progress.
Roger that, North Huron command. You have an alarm showing on level 2 garbage chute. You have a crew entering on site to investigate. 360 in progress, 5:12:48.
Fire dispatch, you can mark car 3 responding.
Roger that, car 3 responding. It's 5:15:23.
Car 3, car 1. Go ahead, car 1, car 3. Yeah, sorry, I'm just pulling in. I didn't look on the air. Okay, car 1 will stand down at this point. Or car 3 will stand down at this point.
Roger that, dispatch copies, car 3, you're standing down. 5:15:15.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
You can mark 360 complete, nothing new.
Roger that, I copy. 360 complete, nothing new. 5:16:52.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
You can show after investigation there is no sign of heat or smoke, and staff on site have reset the alarm.
Roger that. I copy that. North Huron Command, after investigation, no sign of heat or smoke. Staff on site has reset the alarm. 5:19:45.
Fire dispatch call, North Huron Command.
North Huron Command, go ahead.
After investigation, we're going to mark investigation complete. Property will be left with the property occupant. Command will be terminated. Engine 1 will be returning to station.
Roger that, Command. I copy. Investigation complete. Property is being left with property owner. Command is now terminated. Engine 1 is clear and returning to station. 5:26:18.
Fire dispatch call, Wingham Station.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 back at hall, back at service. Could you clear off that incident for me, please?
Roger that. Engine 1 back at hall, back in service. It's 5:34:37. I'll clear that off here right now. Have a great day.